Alright, so in the last video I mentioned one other way of finding the volume in a shape like this. And this is actually going to involve subtraction. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the volume of this whole rectangle. As if this piece right here, I didn't draw it very well, but as in if this piece were also filled in and this was just a regular rectangle. So, for that, the dimensions would be 9, 4, and 2, right? So 9, 4, and 2. So if we multiply 9 times 4, that would be 36 times 2 would be 72. Okay. But we just found the rectangular prism of this as if this piece were filled in, but this piece is not filled in. So remember, the 2 is the height because there are 2 layers, and then 9 is the length, I guess you could say. 4 is the width. You can interchange whatever one you want to call length, whichever one you want to call width. Doesn't matter because you're just multiplying them together. But this whole thing, if this were filled in, would be 72 centimeters cubed. But now what we can do is we can find the area of this missing piece, and then we end up just subtracting it. Okay? So, as I said, if this is 9 and this is 5, then this piece has to be 4, because this piece and this piece add up to this one. And then if this is 4, and then this is 3, this piece and this piece have to add up to 4, so this has to be 1. So now, this missing piece that we're finding the area of would be 4 times 2 times 1. Now 4 times 2 is 8, times 1 is 8. So now we're doing 72 minus 8, right, and still centimeters squared, and 72 minus 8 is 64 centimeters cubed. So that is just one other way you could do it. I would say typically, most of the time I wouldn't suggest that way. But it is a perfectly valid way of doing it, and in some cases it might just be quite a bit easier depending on like the size of it and how much space is open here. So yeah, just to let you know, that is another valid way to do it. So hopefully that will help you.